We're already to the next section on how to clean, transform, and load data. In this video, we're going to talk about how to resolve inconsistencies, unexpected or null values, and some potential data quality issues. For this first example, we can talk about this order ID column on the sales order table. It's coming in a nice format. For example, each ID is a numeric value and 1 until the end of our sales order ID column. But what if our sales order ID was coming in a different format? For example, if we had an order ID of 1 or 01, a quick way to handle that would be just change this column type into an integer. And if there are all numeric values, it would turn them into just an integer representation of their order ID. But in case you have some order IDs coming in with a TBD, or something maybe text value that explains there isn't an order ID available to us, we can apply a transformation by right-clicking and replacing values. So we could replace values whenever it's coming in as a TBD. We could replace with a 999 or something. Some value that would indicate that our ID is not valid. That would ensure that our column could have the same integer data type. A more practical example might be if we look at our contact person ID column. For example, if this contact person ID is no longer with our company, we may want to assign a rule to replace that non-existent contact person ID with someone who is still in our company. For example, let's say that this contact person ID 3032 is no longer with our company. We want to replace all orders with that contact person with another contact such as 3003. So we can do that by replacing values, and we just replace the 3032 with 3003 and click OK, and we will see that every row that had the original contact person has been replaced with a contact person that is still with us. So that's just an example of how to resolve some of these inconsistencies and make sure that we still have a high quality data.